Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about how to system restore your computer, laptop, or PC and fix common-ish 5 fixes for Windows 7 and Windows 10. You can go to this site, which is called Make Use Of, which has like information on tech news, PC, mobile, lifestyle, hardware, and free stuff. Most of the free stuff are free ebooks, giveaways, cheat sheets, videos. You can see videos. Contact them is by email. Alright. System Restore is a key computer recovery tool. If you're experiencing a problem with your Windows computer System Restore, all you gotta do is back up your file. That's one part. And go through, scan each file using a specific software in the background. And quick disclaimer, they are not sponsoring this video, so I'm just doing this for educational purposes only. So, first way to try an alternative system to restore your point, type in recovery right here, and then select open system restore. And you see the image below. It's like, okay, the date and time, current daylight saving time. Scan for affected programs. That's one way. Next way is to run system restore on safe mode. And it's available on Windows 8 to 10. First thing you need to do is head to settings, update security, recovery, follow the step-by-step instructions online. And after that, you'll have to restart your PC, press F8 during the boot process to enter safe mode. This has been tried and tested. I tried it, the safe mode. It really works well. It just like it removes like the images, make everything like black background, just basic and simple. And they'll also have instruction on how to do on the Windows 7. Same instruction, just a little bit tweaking up because it's 2 different operations. Step 3, configure system restore disk space use. What you do on that is they allocate at least like 4 GB storage. However, sometimes you go over it. So what's best you do is just remove files. Alright. Go system protection for local. Configure disk space in Windows 8 and 10. Turn on system protection. You choose how much storage you want to use. Same thing for Windows 7. Same instruction. Just have they have a different amount of information. So when you clear out the system restore, it'll just help out. You'll have a little bit more space, and your computer process will be a little bit faster. Okay, next thing, you can also clean up your desk space. Let me see if I can remove. Can't remove that weird ad. Next, number 4, ensure system restore are being created. Windows 8 10. See if it's like installed and see everything's like up to date. They have an automatic restore point. Turn on the system protection for local disk. And the last part is reinstall, reset, or repair Windows 7, 8, and 10. Mostly, when you like reinstall like Windows 8, just redo it again. It'll have a new setting and they won't have any glitches on it. If you like this, next thing I'm gonna explain is what kind of free stuff they give you. Okay, they got free ebooks. Okay, on how to set up and use your Amazon Fire Sticks, how to use Android without Google, how to create a professional report, how to use GarageBand, how to use Kodak, complete setup guide, how to use the software through setup and add-ons. They have like different ebooks for like Windows, how to complete Windows 10 privacy settings, how to find the best mortgage rates online, keyboard shortcuts, tutorial guide for everyone, how to use Snapchat. It's like mostly like a how-to videos. So those are the ebooks. see. It's a cheat sheet. What kind of cheat sheet they have? Cheat sheets like Windows Calculator, keyboard shortcuts to use calculator, a LibreOffice Writer, how to use it, Google Map, navigate like a pro with these keyboard shortcuts. Control your notes with Google Keep, how to use Google Calendar using shortcut. Master how to use PDF, shortcuts. Then for Windows and Mac computers, so the pretty much is how to use it. How to use, how to create a program using Python regex, cheat sheet for budding programmers. Linux, Adobe Lightroom, okay. That's the cheat sheet. Yeah, with their giveaways. Oh, hey, they have giveaways for like, first phone R1 smart watch giveaway. So many 11 entries. A Nui wireless doorbell cam giveaway. You can read more about it, just expand it. It's okay. Lowest cost entry. You have the option to opt in for cost subscription. And everything's through mobile app. Let's see what this one. The smartwatch has 4 GB of music to children. It's very competent and affordable smartwatch for kids. There are few distractions and options to install apps and games, allow your young ones to focus in school. Also, it looks like it has like a security camera, so it could be like a tracking device in case you lost your child. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they know about how to fix their PC and create a system restore point to make the computer process more faster. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.